What's the number one thing, if I see it in the skin, we're going to work on first here in the studio? Any takers? It's inflammation. If you have any redness, whether that's in the high cheekbones, forehead, chin, even in the nose area, that can have disastrous consequences for your global skin health. So it is the number one thing I tackle. Today, we're going to get into number one, why it can be disastrous for the skin if not cured or maintained. Number two, what you can do about it at home. And number three, the best product for you to use. Before we get too far into it, my name is Jillian Wise. I'm an advanced esthetician practicing here in Las Vegas, Nevada. And right here is my studio. Let's get into inflammation. Simply put, inflammation can be a reaction in the skin from injury, irritation, or infection. It can be that simple, but figuring out how to bring that redness down can be a little tricky. So let's say you are one that doesn't like to wear sunscreen, which today, everyone should be wearing sunscreen, whether it's tinted or clear, whether it's physical or chemical, it doesn't matter. Reason being, especially if you have redness within the face, UV radiation can cause an immune system reaction that can create that redness. If you're exposed to UV radiation, which simply happens by not wearing SPF, unfortunately, that triggers a pro-inflammatory molecular response that can trigger things like cytokines or histamines within the skin that then trigger that redness. Then those molecules end up signaling the blood vessels to dilate, therefore encouraging more of that redness in the skin. And I'm not talking about a UVB, ultraviolet radiation burn. I'm talking about actual inflammation within the dermis. Some other triggers can include some contact dermatitis, eczema, psoriasis, rosacea. Even harsh skincare products can bring on that pro-inflammatory response, which we don't want to do. So if you find that you have redness within the face, neck, or décolleté, there are some things that you can do at home. If budget is a concern, the number one change you can make right now today is get yourself some sunscreen. I tell my clients that the only sunscreen that I will deem as the best is the one that you're going to wear. So obviously I have a few that I love, one being Tone Smart by Skin Better. Not only does it provide SPF 75 from a mineral base, but it also has antioxidants that help to create a thin film on the skin to not only bust up free radicals you might come in contact with, but absolutely blocking out UVA, ultraviolet aging radiation, UVB, ultraviolet burning radiation, HEVL, which is high energy visible light, that the light off your screen, yeah, that one right there that you're looking at, that can be problematic, and infrared. It will block out all of those common concerns. And it will also help to basically act as a shield to the skin to not let all that heat from the radiation penetrate into the dermis either. Because we all know that that can also help cause hyperpigmentation, which is so frustrating. What's something else that you can do from home that's super simple? Get your hands on a good antioxidant. I get asked all the time, as an esthetician, what do you use? My number one antioxidant and product that I recommend almost across the board to every single client is Alto Advanced. This is by Skin Better. Alto Advanced is a superior antioxidant and, in my opinion, the best on the market. I'm going to break down really quickly why that is, and you weigh in the comments. Alto Advanced is a broad spectrum antioxidant, actually containing 19 different antioxidants. So let's break down a few of my favorites. So obviously we have some vitamin C and we have some vitamin E in there. This blend also has CoQ10, which is an amazing anti-aging ingredient, resveratrol, which we don't want to just get from drinking red wine, and botanical extracts. And what's the whole point of even wearing an antioxidant? Yes, it's going to help me bring down inflammation, but what else is it going to do for me? Alto Advanced is my free radical fighter. And you're like, wait, what are free radicals? Free radicals are unstable molecules that you come in contact with throughout your day. We're talking pollutants, we're talking ultraviolet radiation. And what's unfortunate is even stress alone can cause the creation of free radicals within your body. And so now that you have that knowledge, don't you want to get on something that can not only topically neutralize those free radicals, but internally neutralize them as well? This is what makes Alto Advanced so special. The 19 different antioxidant blend in here not only works topically on the epidermis, but it has been formulated to get down into the bloodstream to neutralize free radicals throughout your entire body. Not only is this product an antioxidant powerhouse, but it also helps repair and defend the skin. So we have a motto here. During the day, we protect. During the night, we repair. A lot of estheticians say that, and for good measure. During the day, we want to protect ourselves from all the things that we come in contact with that can cause premature aging. Then at night, we're going to go ahead and repair that. Not only does Alto Advanced protect you during the day, but pairing this with Alpha Ret at night turns your mitochondria of your cell into a powerhouse to help with cellular damage repair. Also, barrier support. Now, I'm sure you've heard your moisture barrier. People talk about it all the time. This is what helps to keep your hydration within your skin. If your moisture barrier has been depleted, unfortunately, you lose a lot of hydration out of the skin, and that does also age you. Alto Advanced is going to help you not only repair that barrier, if your barrier needs repair, but it's also going to strengthen and fortify it. Sometimes I get asked, well, my skin is too reactive for vitamin C. And that's probably correct with some other vitamin C's because vitamin C can be extremely unstable to work with. However, if I hear a client say that, ding, 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 I'm thinking moisture barrier has been depleted, and I immediately put them on this. Watch their skin turn around in 2 to 3 weeks with consistent AM and PM use. And that's why I absolutely love this product. And lastly, everything that I'm going to recommend to you guys or even use here in the studio will be science-backed, not only by clinical studies that you can find anywhere on Skin Better's website, but also through my own research and my own use. Alto Advanced is the best antioxidant on the market. So if you have any sort of redness in the skin, if you are seeing premature aging, my guess is, number one, reach for a sunscreen. The sunscreen that you like will be the best sunscreen for you. And number two, get yourself Alto Advanced. Nothing can compare to it. There's not a dupe on the market because the science is so sound. I absolutely love this product. So just remember, redness in the skin is pro-aging. It's going to create a space that's going to age you faster, and you can neutralize it. Whether you're looking at finding an esthetician, coming in to see me, or purchasing yourself an Alto Advanced, I would love to be your virtual esthetician. And if you have redness and you have questions about how to tackle it, please feel free to email me. As always, all of my information will be in the description, and I love taking questions. If you've tried Alto Advanced, please leave a comment below. I love hearing from you guys, hearing your opinions on products that I talk about, hearing your stories about how it changed your skin. The more comments, the merrier. Thanks for watching. And remember that glowing skin is a journey, not a destination. So stay consistent, stay hydrated, and I'll see you in the next video.